let's open this and that together. It's actually made out of metal. The album opens like this. The first thing is, I got the IN keychain. This is actually way bigger than I thought. 2 little mini CDs on each side. The cute little stickers of each member. Oh my, I think this is like a little like postcard, mini poster, I don't know. And this is the mini poster. And the cutest little photo book. Look at this. We get to find out what member we got. We got Hyunjin. PCs are... Oh my god, I got Han. And I got Changbin and Han unit. And then look at the back. It's Han Littlefoot. That's it. Did you guys like the album?